In this video, we'll see how to make Keema Paratha, which you can enjoy with any raita or plain yogurt. Let's get started. Take 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add 1 tablespoon each of chopped ginger and garlic. Saute for a minute. Add 1 chopped green chili. Add 1 chopped onion. Saute well for 2 to 3 minutes on a medium flame. Add the mince. Here I have taken half kg of lamb mince, which I have washed thoroughly and drained for an hour. Add salt as per your taste. Half a tablespoon of turmeric. I have added a ready-made keema masala which we get in the market. Saute until all the spices are thoroughly cooked. Add some garam masala. Add 3/4 cup of water and mix well. Close the lid and let it cook on a low flame for 10 to 12 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the dough for our paratha. For this, I have taken 3 cupfuls of wheat flour. Add salt as per your taste. Now, with the lukewarm water, knead a stiff dough. Our keema is ready. Add chopped coriander and mix it well. Let's make paratha. Roll the dough like you make roti. Now put the keema mix in there and secure it with plates folding as I did in the video. Now roll as usual like a roti. If it's a bit wet or sticky while rolling, you can add a bit of flour. Don't add too much of flour while rolling the paratha, otherwise the paratha will be hard. Now cook it on a hot tawa or griddle like you usually cook the rotis. Brush with the ghee and fry on both the sides. keema paratha is ready. Enjoy it with any raita or yogurt. Give this recipe a try and enjoy. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel.